everyone, I'm Summer Kath. We're here live at Kbis 2019. I'm standing in the Cambria booth. This year at Cambria, we're not only bringing to you amazing innovations, what we're known for, but we're gonna take all of our guests on a behind the scenes glimpse into what makes Cambria the best natural stone surface on the planet. We're also gonna help guests come in here, not only educate them on what is Cambria, what are all the quality checks that go in to produce this amazing slab, but we're gonna customize conversations to make sure that we drive success in everyone's business. This year, we're showing innovations we launched in 2018, and they're really speaking to the trends that are coming. White countertops are still in. We certainly are continuing to innovate in the white countertop area by bringing in bolder tones. So you'll see in Bentley, in Skara Bray, in what's right behind me in this design called Islington, there's a much more exotic richness that we're bringing to the kitchen. We're bringing in new tones that are really cutting edge, like navy blues, and you're seeing black and white in a contrast being a huge trend this year. We're trying to complement not just what's happening around the kitchen, but what we're sitting on top, which are the cabinets, what are all the trends in appliances and plumbing fixtures. We want to make sure that we are living in harmony in what's coming in the future. So we hope that you have the chance to check out our palette. We're also showing not just our palette, but we're showing some really unique fabrication, something that we know that your local partners can handle without a sweat. And we're here to stand by with our customer service to make sure that we all execute it to the highest level of detail. In our booth, we have this amazing reception desk. It's made from a new product called Middleton. Middleton on its own is beautiful. It has depth, it has crystals, but we can also backlight Middleton. So in the booth, we actually bent stone. We heated it up and we bent it so that there's a beautiful curvature. And it actually seamlessly goes into Skara Bray, which we figured out we can backlight the translucent veining. And on the wall, we're also featuring Cambria art, as we like to call it, this wonderful new black marble design, which we're really seeing trends in black marbles. The beautiful white veining has a translucency to it you would never know. You can also backlight it. It really gives a pop and a wow. So this year, we not only have amazing innovations in designs, in fabrication, in applications of using Cambria, but we really want to bring home that what's important to us is that we're American made and we apply the highest level of quality and excellence, both on the raw materials that come into our plant, they all get checked, to the slabs and how we manufacture them, how we check every slab before it leaves the plant, and all the customer care and service and the people that touch your product from the moment that it's installed forever, that you are covered with a lifetime warranty. This is our promise to our customers. We don't take it lightly, and this is our biggest commitment.